Hi everyone. I'm just leaving the Women's Foundation luncheon. It was so amazing, empowering, but it's 2 minutes after 2 and I got to start my What's Working Now Tuesday at 2 video. So I've got a very important topic for you today. Yesterday, actually, I had a sale on a brand new listing. We had 4 offers and all 4 of them were great. If I had 4 houses, I could have sold all 4, but 2 people really stepped up and went over the top. They were very good with price and terms, qualifications, but we could only sell this house to one person. So we accepted one offer and we took the second one as a backup. Whew, let's get out of the sun. Backup meaning if the first person wigged out and didn't get through their home inspection, then the second person would be first in line and become the primary contract. So I'm just here to tell you that if you get 4 offers on your house, if you're a seller, don't just take one, okay? Take one and take one as a backup. There have been several times, I'm going to say at least 5 or 6 times over the last couple years where those backup contracts actually became the primary contract. Benefit to the seller of accepting an offer that's a backup is if the first one goes through their home inspection and they kick out just because they get cold feet, even if there's nothing wrong with the house, or if they have a financing contingency and something happens, they lose their job, something wasn't right on their application, they don't get their loan, you've got that second buyer automatically in. You're not taking that sign off your house that says under contract to back on the market, advertising, having more open houses. You're just staying under contract and you've got another buyer. If you're a buyer, don't be afraid to be a backup buyer, because if that first person wigs out and doesn't go through with the transaction, you are automatically in. You don't have to watch the seller put the house back on the market, get 4 more contracts, and compete again. You are automatically in. So whether you're a buyer, whether you're a seller, if there's more than one offer, if you're the seller, take a backup. And if you're a buyer and you didn't get it, be a backup. All right, so that's my message for today. If you've got a message or a topic that I should talk about on Tuesday at 2, What's Working Now, please email me, call me, text me, let me know. Happy to do it next week. And thanks for watching What's Working Now Tuesday at 2. Tell your friends.